I'm going to be showing you how to advertise on Reddit. So it's actually really easy, so let's get right into it. So what you need to do is go to the Reddit's ads manager, and what you can do is just open your browser. It could be anything. I'm going to be choosing Safari. And once you've done so, you need to type in ads.reddit.com and hit enter and wait for it to load. And once you've done so, you can see this. Now what you need to do is log in with your Reddit account. So to log in, you need to find this option right here that says login right here. Just tap there, and once you have logged in, you need to create a campaign. So what you can do is click on create a campaign, and you need to choose a goal. And once you've done so, you need to make sure you create a business account, and after that you can create a campaign. So just enter your business name, select your country, and enter your currency. Once you've done so, just tap on next and make sure you agree. Now you just need to enter your name, your first name, and your business site and your business industry, and make sure you work with an advertising agency, and then you can tap on finish. And after you finally create a business account, you can see this option right here that says create campaign. Just go ahead and tap here, and once you've done so, now you can create a campaign regarding your awareness. You can choose a goal like traffic, conversions, app installs. Make sure you drag and drop or browse files here, or you can add images from your website. You have targeting, delivery, and payment, all sorts of options here, and that's how you advertise on Reddit. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.